First, preheat your oven to a cozy 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease up your 9 by 9 inch baking dish. Now, the first layer of this flavor-packed casserole is the graham cracker crust. Grab a medium bowl, combine your 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Stir it all together until the crumbs are well coated and slightly moist. Press that mixture firmly into the bottom of your prepared baking dish to form an even crust. Next up, the cream cheese filling. Grab a large mixing bowl and beat 16 ounces of the softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of the brown sugar and a teaspoon of the vanilla extract. Whip it until it's smooth and creamy. In another bowl, combine 15-ounce can of the pumpkin puree, the remaining 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 beaten eggs. Mix it all up until it's well combined. Then it's time for assembly. Take 1 cup of the cream cheese mixture and spread it evenly over the graham cracker crust. Next, pour 2 cups of the pumpkin mixture on top of the cream cheese layer and spread it evenly with a spatula. Pop it into the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes until the pumpkin layer is firm to the touch. Finally, allow your casserole to cool for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Serve it warm. And if you're feeling a little extra, top it with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon. So, please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.